Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can use any screenshot as a wallpaper on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to the Safari browser, and here you need to go to the Google, and on Google you need to find, let's example, street lamp in the fog. Just tap on it, and I'm taking this photo. I'm downloading this photo. Let's give me a moment. It is downloaded and it is into my photos. I just open it up. Now I'll take a screenshot from volume up and power button, just like this, and another screenshot to make the background black, just like this. So now I am opening this my screenshot. Wait a moment. Save to photos. Just go back. Okay, so we have two screenshots here. For example, like this, the whole background is black. What you need to do is just tap on it, and here the option in the bottom left corner, just tap on it and you need to swipe up, and here you see that there's an option of use as a wallpaper. Just tap on this use as a wallpaper option, and it will then ask you from where you need to adjust it. You can zoom it, zoom out, adjust it where you want it, and you can also put the built-in added functions to it, for example this. And now you can just tap on the add button here, and it will automatically make it to your lock screen and your home screen as well. If you just want it to be to home screen, you just need to tap on the below button, or else you can set it as a pair, just like this. In my case, I'm setting it as a pair, for example like this, and it is now my in a lock screen and a home screen. So that's how you can actually use any screenshot as a wallpaper on your iPhone, and that's how you can adjust your lock screen and home screen. Until next video, bye bye.